Guys, I got to take a little break from the Cummins because I need to finish up this Chevy here. It needs to get out of here ASAP. But I did get the frame welded. I just painted it, so it's really fresh. But check that out. So basically what I did was I welded it 3 times. I dropped the pass, and then I grinded it a little bit, and then I dropped another one. And so that's the 3rd bead, the last bead. So basically the only difference between this and the factory frame is the fact that I welded it 3 times and they only welded it once. So I don't know, maybe they're still better. But check it out, everything lines up, seal lines up perfectly. Truck is looking really good. But before I put it together, I need to let that paint dry up. And for now, we need to get this Silverado out of here, and we need to roll the video. I got the bodywork finished up on the cap corner, and Paul did an amazing job painting it. Look at this, it looks perfect, and the color matched up beautifully. So now it is time to install the bed. As you can see, we have the bed sprayed in and all the wiring is back in its spot. So we need to just throw this bed on here, bolt everything down, finish buttoning up underneath it, and the truck will be done. As you guys saw from the video, this was a rush order job. It had to get in and out of here. That is why I had to put a pause on the Cummins here. But we did everything we could to the frame. I put plates everywhere. I didn't get to record everything, guys. Like I said, it just filming and it takes a lot. Okay, so, but look, it's good. It's straight. Look at this thing. It's looking beautiful. And I'm gonna get somebody to film and edit soon, I promise. But for now, you know, it's just gonna have to be me. And I'm not too proud of this little body line right here drooping, but it is what it is. What can I say? It looks good enough. He didn't even want the body work done on the bed, so we ain't worried about that little body work over there. Everything else is looking beautiful. If you look from the back of the truck, it is perfectly straight. Everything lines up. I am so happy because sometimes these jobs right here, you end up going back on the frame machine once, 2 times, sometimes 3 times. But everything turned out very nice. Everything's lined up. I'm just gonna clean it up real quick and she is out of here.